Hey guys, so we got a 2016 Fiat Abarth here today. And if you look down here, we're replacing the engine in it. He burnt a valve, but I just want to show you a couple things on that so that you know what you need to do on your vehicle to maintain it. So this is a 2016, like I said, it has 140,000 kilometers on it. And look at the condition of this timing belt. If he had not burnt a valve, which he did, and that's what took out this engine, his timing belt was about to blow anyways. Completely cracked, ready to blow, in really bad shape. And so when it's recommended to change this belt around that 110,000 kilometer mark, it's to avoid a belt getting to this condition so that you don't risk blowing your whole engine just from not changing a belt on it. Now this one had some other issues with it as well, so we are just doing a whole new crate motor right from Chrysler on it. But yeah, it's just a tiny little cute little engine. There's not many engines out there that just one guy can just carry around on his own. So yeah, I got a new crate motor from Chrysler, new turbo going in as well for it. But yeah, just wanted to point out such a bad timing belt, and it's right around that 10-year mark. So 10 years, around 100,000 K max, whichever one comes first, change your timing belt.